Okay, I just got home, turned the car off, and normally when you turn the car off, all of the doors unlock. This is the driver door, which unlocked, but my passenger door did not unlock. The rear doors unlocked. They're all unlocked, but the passenger door did not. And now when I try to use the unlock, it will not unlock the passenger door. Try it again. It still will not unlock. So I'm going to try and turn the car on and redo it. Okay, now that it's on, let's see if it will unlock. No, it still will not unlock the passenger door. Okay, we'll turn it off and see if it unlocks. No, it does not unlock.